1¼ cup of, what is this?
Extra fine almond flour.
Extra fine, super fine almond flour. So she put it in a beater, and then she put, how many egg whites did you put in there?
3 large egg whites.
And then she put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And that's it? You mixed it until it had soft or stiff white peaks. And then after she did that, she put 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar. She mixed that in. She took it out, and then she added 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar in there. She hasn't mixed it yet, and then she added 1¼ cup of extra fine almond flour. Now she's gonna spatula it.
You just take it and you just fold it in.
We'll put this back here right here, okay, Mom?
We're making macarons.
Take it and fold it.
But this is just for the cookie part.
Take it and
Go
fold
on.
it. Take
Oh,
it
Max.
and
Max,
fold it.
got one. Yeah.
So you have to be careful not to get all the air out of it.
Yes and no. Like right now, like before, you needed to be careful not to get all the air out of it. But right now, we're trying to get some of that air out by mixing it together.
Oh.
It's like super finicky. I just want to get all of it incorporated.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of smash it down and then fold it. Smash it down and fold it. Smash it down and fold it. And then I pick it up. And then I kind of try and drizzle, but see how it's not drizzling?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not ready. So smash it down and fold it. Smash it down. Fold it. You do want to check it often once it gets to this stage because you don't want it to be that's just about done. Probably like 2 more turns. Okay.
No, that's more than 2.
Just a couple more flows here. Okay, that should be it. Yeah, see, that looks perfect. You're kind of doing a little
Kinda
figure
silky.
8.
So you want it to be a little silky then.
Yeah. And you want
So
it to, you want to make a figure 8 and you want it to slowly go back.
You
Okay.
can see it.
Stop it.
I can't.
So we have a piping bag with a little end piece on it. And she's gonna put the stuff in there. I kind of need a chair though.
Every time I put it in there, Mommy, it goes on. Why is it not there? That will be my tail. Wow, just get it on the field, please. Put this here. That's so thick, Mommy. That's very thick.
It is.
Yeah, like so thick. I don't know how they're going to get that in there without peeling it.
Well, kind of got to push it down.
Yeah.
Mommy will just have to do a little tiny bitty bit at a time.
Yeah.
Just a little tiny bitty bit at a time.
So So you want to get all the air bubbles out.
No.
So that way, whenever you pipe it out, there's no like big air bubble that comes out with it.
No, because we'll be smacking it down anyways.
Because you don't want to have like a big bubble come out when you're piping it. Like that. You keep it on there and then you press it out. And a little thing comes up. It's like the same way you make meringue. Or divinities.
Hey Mom, how would you make one more?
They are, let's look at this.
How would I try and do it? Well, how would I try and do it? Because I was watching you.
They are very small. They're a little bit bigger than a quarter. Actually, they're like twice as big as a quarter size.
They're gonna get bigger.
What's on TV?
Animals. I couldn't find the little tip to this, so I have to do it like this.
What's the original tip supposed to look like?
It's supposed to be like open and wide, but I didn't have mine ready.
This one's open and wide.
Yeah, but see how it has the grooves in it? It had a piece that went over it, but Jeremiah, go wash your hands.
Why?
Because
So they're gonna get bigger when you bake them.
Yeah,
But you have to let them dry, you said.
Mm-hmm. And I'm about to pat them down, see when they'll get bigger as they get down.
Macarons. So did you put any vanilla in there?
Nope.
Nothing. And I guess this is where you could have added a little bit of lemon oil if you were going to do these in a lemon way.
Yeah, but you can still do lemon in the middle. Later.
Or you could also, I don't know if there's such a thing as freeze-dried lemon,
I don't know.
but you could get like freeze-dried lemon powder and kind of powder them whenever they come out.
Yeah, you just gotta be careful with it because you don't want to, they're so finicky.
No, I'm talking about when they're baked. It's like once they
dust
come
it
out,
over it?
once they come out of the oven, you could dust the caps with the lemon powder. If there was lemon powder, which I'm sure there is.
Can you get me another pan? That'll be a good help.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
No more flat pants.
There are other flat pans, just different than this one.
Yeah, but I can find them.
It's a mess. I'm getting a little messy now.
Find this pan. It's kind of flat, though.
Okay, that's perfect.
But it isn't flat.
Ah, making a mess.
Mommy, is this what you were talking about?
An hour to dry.
So we gotta let them dry first, but before she did that, she tapped the pans pretty hard and got them to flatten out like that. Now they're all flat and they're gonna dry for like maybe an hour. And then when you put them in the oven, how much time do they need to bake?
Not very long.
And what's the temperature? I'm guessing pretty low.
Yeah, about 300.
Okay,
Yeah, and that's how you make macaron.
good job.
This one's a little wonky.